The life that nayo. Ukigwa thithi ukigwa. Udia ndina guo ni enough. Ma, if only I have you back.
Okay, what's wrong? Do you know who is this? Unajua ni nani? Keti. Ebu Keti na uniachilie. Niko kulinga. Ndio ikae. Ebu Keti chini hapo. Maluko meke. Maluko meketi. Nonsense.
Nini wewe?
Wewe mzee unajua ni nani? Can you shut up? Ebu nyamaza. Nasema unyamaze. Wewe mzee. Wewe mzee, unajua ni nani? Keti hapo. Keti hapo mzee.
Joyce, Monica, nisaidie kikombe ya chai.
Hello.
Wanyuma nako?
Morning.
I'm well.
Please.
Kai wari usoke?
Please. Nikegutarithi tu.
Utarithie ki?
No, please, Kagure.
Nikiga ku explain no.
Nikejikarethi tu. Please. Ndugecirie na gikeno ngiuka kwira.
Tajira atiriri Wandahuhu. No weke campaign ya guthuro gite mwaka mugima urite gwaku ucoke bando uge itoki. Uraraga githurano onywa githurano ona ke Wandahuhu gutiri undu itoi wathire ukiumbana ukiumba kairetu keru kungira kathaka kungira keke.
Oh, Caro. I am but a fool. Darling, I love you. Though you treat me cruel. You hate me. And you make me cry. Hate you. But if you leave me, I will surely die. Do you call me jaja gore mwene ngoma?
Nena kujire wega nona litale dono moto dudo.
Actually,
you look 14.
I'm just 17.
You need to purchase me a car.
Did I tell you? The moment I saw you, nagiuna at least the kamea kona kushia gusha. Do you know what I decided? That I decided give me a month or two.
Yeah.
Kira gukona kiori. Nituthia kundu tariwe ndo ndathire ngiwa na loan.
Nona we urekira cia gold. Did you import this one? Ama ilitoka wapi?
It is a gift. Dari na friend of mine to tarawira nake. A business partner mu Israeli. Actually no artire kundu gwitagwo kiria. Na guku
okay,
the DC. Dead Sea.
You need to take me there.
Dead Sea, you can swim. The dog is sink. I'll take you there.
Kuna dressiria joro tattoo yaku. Haya tukinyaneti ogwo.
Hai.
Tattoo yaku haha.
Oh my. Tattoo yako? Arabu.
Enigetha ukorwo kimenya nowe wika ruwekira
kinyaga kama yaku thiini. Niye ona hate tattoo. Your face is implanted in my heart. You know that? Na uria ndauga ri tigane tari gugu ri ni maundu maya ma kuhithaga guku ri na kina kiri. My wife did that baby. Yeda akome awandeta. Alvi, me and you and I will be meant to be together forever again. You and I will be together forever again. You and I, Carol, you and I will sing good love songs to the end.
Wagui.
Okay, what's wrong?
Do you know who is this? Unajua ni nani? Keti. Ebu keti na uniachilie. Ni wako linga. Ndio ikae. Ebu keti chini hapo. Maduko meketi. Maduko meketi nonsense.
Nini wewe?
Wewe mzee unajua ni nani? Can you shut up? Ebu nyamaza. Nasema unyamaze. Wewe mzee. Unajua ni nani? Keti hapo. Keti hapo mzee. Keti hapo mzee. Unajua ni nani?
Unataka nichukue?
Do you know who is this?
Unataka nichukue kitu
hapa?
Who is he? Huyu nani?
Unauliza huyu ni nani mzee? Na nimepoza bibi yangu wewe. Unasema ni huyu nani nimepoza bibi yangu wewe?
Hebu na kitu kidogo hapa.
Kuja hapa.
Hebu na kitu kidogo hapa.
Ni wewe unakwambia ukuja hapa.
Kakatha kakungira keke. Ni getha wagithurwo wone mundu wa kuriaga mbeca ona kuria tumite ona kuria tumite Wandahuhu ariganirwo ngoja Wandahuhu ariganirwo ati twakura nawe oguo nyumba twaka nawe ndagukorire we wacatie mwe Wandahuhu neni ndahuraga cati ngaribariba oguo nigetha wone gia gwikira no riu tondu ni wagia mbeca na ni twagia mbeca wethe andu akwetha nao
Ndi haria mbere. Ndona bila tunafikiri.
Busted. Baba busted. Mwadhieko.
Jeff nikoro.
Mwera gwikatha na mwadhieko. Oyo no.
Jeff do.
Oyo no.
Uri atire cirio rauga niguo rauga.
Oyo no. Nĩ ndamo observe for long ndadi.
Asa. Wewe cirio rauga niguo.
Wewe ni nani?
Usiniguze.
Daddy, yani udite to an extent ya kodera mam even with small girls.
Who is this?
That's sure.
This is your son.
Daddy.
Yes.
Yani to this extent, yani already nya turu to skuru. Turu to nini ogo. Okadara mam to that extent.
No.
You know what?
Okay. No.
Acha nikuuliza swali.
Niko mpaka na video.
Niko
ya binabisa daddy.
Fine.
Namoka de mukungete. Gokunga. I was just right there. Namogejuria everything you've talked. Nidadhikiriria.
Aya dauga atia. Dauga atia.
Ngwiciria ni ukinyite hau. Ngwiciria githomo kirakana na guthomithia kana status ciaku kana kirathi giaku tikia maruta macio.
Ni sawa. Hadi wanathomithia na dinarega. That is why my IQ is very high and I know what you wanted to go and do. Sawa. Simwende.
Wapi?
Kuna mgothia gathie.
Ingia kwa nyumba. Even don't have an idea.
Kayo kako kunikoleta nyumba.
Ulikuwa umeenda kuna dadi? Niwe na mutumia, niwe na siana sigana. Siana mugwanja, 7 children. Imagine some in your last born, imagine first born wake. First born wake ni
baba. Kuliko muikaraga.
Yeni. This is my dad.
Deus.
Yani daddy, yani unadhara ma ndio bado mwore thimu. Nyabere kimwire. Njoke ndio video hiyo.
Tiano.
Oleko. Oyo ciarite oyo. Nijigana oyo.
That's my son. They know my ri.
Mom,
I do not.
Ogijeta ko.
Tunitwareta musi.
This is my home.
Tawe heketo goko ina maundu mayure na koyua. Ebora kisha mom.
State place.
What state place?
Daddy, they are like men now, before mama kinyete.
Kamera moite si ngoja. First of all, answer my question. Tika nyoba isi ni kule nyoba iki mwone.
Tibono.
We don't mind.
No, answer that is not.
Don't mind.
Aya.
In fact, this is my room. You know the room yakwa. Imagine daddy ukada ukule room yakwa. Imagine.
Wandahuhu mzuri mboki matawe.
Imagine.
This is why you take me.
No. You are mistaken. You people are mistaken.
In your son.
Wewe msichana. Hebu enda.
Nie.
Wewe hebu enda.
Hapo tigane na bia kwanza.
Na bia yako kwanza. Utapata na mama?
Wewe ngoja kwanza.
Utapata na mama.
Ngoja kwanza bia yako kwanza.
Here you have not.
Wandahuhu rehabia siapa kwanza.
Accomplished what we were talking about.
Wandahuhu unajua naweza simama hapa na niseme mbele umati penye wewe mwanaume ukunja ya very stingy man.
Daddy.
A very stingy man agutire kedo we nakio.
Daddy.
Tiga miario na kanua.
Kale tukako kamira mami okete goko gore. Kamira mami okete tiga gutire ko oka.
Tire kedo we nakio.
Oka.
Usinishi atiga.
About the best.
Usione mono Wandahuhu.
Pesa will come later. The money can come later.
Wandahuhu. Kuja kabla mama kupate huko.
Ocha tia kunyitwo wega.
Kabla mama kupate.
Aje. Wandahuhu saraka.
Unajua ni mamangu saa hizi.
Wandahuhu.
Mami.
Wandahuhu.
Mami.
Mira soroke muno.
Sawa mam.
Nawe.
Mom.
The fact that you are proud that is your father.
Yes.
Okay, menya gokoja.
He's my dad, you're my mom. Stepmother.
I would not be caught dead being your
Stepmother. Imagine your stepson. Stepson and stepmother.
Bibi yako ako happy and you live at home
Eh.
proudly.
Haina
A
shida.
40-something-year-old man living at home.
Goodbye stepmother. Stepmom and
I will not be
stepbrother.
caught dead near your home. Okore unakomreta muse kaigo kia goko.
Ndole pesa na ndole geti.
Didiri. Just I would heck I would understand. Please. Dina mahitia pipi or dina menya what to do. I don't know whether even to tell you sorry.
Sorry can never be. Sorry ni dawa. Sorry no correct maundu maria mothe wikite.
Kuhigishwo kuria ndahigishwo ni life.
Wachana na life. Riu yako hengesa yako nina ri kwa muka mukuru ri ucokago na maithori. Never.
Ni ona ndirahoya ni ona ka forgive no uthikiririe tu. Just don't even forgive me. Uthikiririe tu please. Uthikiririe uigue mama. Gikwiro ria gwathire.
Mwaka mugima.
He mwena utoi wakwa. He mwena utoi wakwa. Na he mwena uyi.
Njira.
Na mwena uri utoi ri niguo ndenda gutariria niguo unduire na kindu uramenya. Because mama ndekire ta mundu ndiona ndirererwo mangenyarara I hate myself niona tiga ni uria ndiromiririe view nginya ni pastor ni ndambire guthikanira by the way
niona ungithio na koni matuini urathie Wandahuhu ni I cannot deal with you again
ni
akamugima wadigeire u
no let me tell you
uli ni atia nani
ni what I'm going through ni address it kuyuraga
kufa
I did address it either
atiriri you are wewe candidate ya gukua wenda gukua
I know
ndita kuria atiriri
I know wewe ni uko de moyo I know
unajui jikana nete na unajui jikana nete na wege tegekere
yake ndakwira undu umwe tu
woka bagi
bagi ri no really not to mean to really there are savage everything else is gone
ona tikabongera thiete onawe me I was comfortable now without you
I had a car I had everything but now I don't have anything
ni maragerire ngari ya muico ngari ya muico ni maragerire ndirathie maguru ta nyamu but the thing is kabaji karitare na indo nditare na mundu urani stress
tamenya niguo ndiraugire mama nie hujeirio na nganyita kindu kimwe tu the life area tenayo
ukigwa thithi ukigwa
uria ndinaguo ni enough ma if only I have you back
I don't want ndakenda gukubeka ile tukau kau gatari na megutha ta kagure kau gatari na line ta kagure kau gatari
who is she she's a demon
you didn't know it was you ito ne kwathira riu ne bende komenya kwari demon kwari ke hendere wathiago kamumunya
he kindu kimwe kiragwo utheri wambagiriria nduma ni wambagiriria no utheri woka nduma ni uraga tutiambagiriria na ugi but let me tell you
Wandahuhu ikara takerimu if you don't know angikoro ndoi kuria umete ona koro rathie ndoi na tiga kunjira
mundu ari mugi ndugahiana ta mundu mukiu view gahiana view ta
kira warire ndwarire
I don't know die kare koro ndirarugetwo die tamenya mama makagure die ndacokio ugu ndronire tari kindu kia higoka ndrona where my life is at the moment
ndu kireke ngwire I don't ndio kanona ningufati Wandahuhu
ona dukana nyende I regret it
Wandahuhu mwana
not worth it I'm not worthy of your love
Airimu are nyumba no university ni iraremire uthiete ugeke campaign no kaigo nĩ mũndũ mũka kabanjikare ndirabocirwo kwendia tũbũri twakwa niĩ karĩmba yakwa makĩgĩra ngari ya mũico mwana arĩ nyũmba. Who are you for? What are you for?
Niĩ ndĩrecirĩtie kũnyua ndawa.
Niona kabaingi ya gũthika.
Ndĩracoka ndĩrona the pain it will cause you utamenyete for the truth ati ngoro yakwa still
the truth yo
my heart still loves you so much. You are still that special woman I met 20 years ago, a very very beautiful woman.
Hey sweetheart. Wow. Wow. How are you doing? Hi. Wewe ni mgani?
Really? I would rather be honest. Niĩ rĩrĩa watuĩkire nĩ wathiĩ nĩ webanga nĩ wathiĩ nĩ wakira gũtirĩ hĩndĩ ũngĩte mũtumia ũmũtigie ũguo o expect atĩ ikaraga wiki mwaka gwĩcia nĩ waigua ũrĩa njĩta. I also moved on.
It goes without saying. Mother.
Kagure, please. Maduka hurt more than that. Jira, he is nobody.
Wakiwa he is
nobody. Can I kill myself? Mukiona inyuĩ the two of you.
Atrere. Wa maitho nĩ ukire wa ruthioni. Ene kuhana.
Kagure, please. Please. Please.
Nĩ atĩ ũngĩnjĩra enough.
Miaka ĩrĩa 20 years they get destroyed on just 2-3 months.
Kenya ni hali ko na emotions ile. Kenya baby ani.
Ndathi nĩ ũgũthiĩ kũthika.
Listen. Nĩ ura imagine niĩ kĩrĩa ndĩraigua ngoro. Nĩ ura imagine niĩ ũrĩa ndaiguire ngoro.
Ndagĩtigana na ũcio. Just imagine ũgĩũka na mũndũ gũkũ gwakwa.
Rĩu kĩrĩa nĩ atĩrĩrĩ, ũrarakara tondũ ndĩna mũndũ no we ndũrenda kũmenya kũrĩa ũrarĩ. Rĩu tondũ rĩu nĩ ndakĩrwo na mũndũ rĩu rĩ tondũ gũtirĩ mũndũ ũngĩohera ũrĩa ũngĩ rĩ, you are as guilty as I am. Niĩ no ngĩrĩkiririe.
Katũtangĩkĩohanĩra. We start all over again. Ngai gũtirĩ mehia taũhagira. Na nĩ gũtirĩ mehia itegũkuohera. Nawe ũnjohere makwa.
Are you sure?
Move on. Please. Wĩre kamũndũ kau gakinya. Please.
Wewe kau gaku nĩ ũgũte.
Nĩ ndeire. Already.